Hello guys, my name is Logan here, and today we're making Logan Sonic Slime, and that means me. We need Sonic glue, we need regular glue, we need borax, we need water, a spatula and a bowl, and some wipies and a container. So first, we pour the glues. We put the borax into the water bottle. Then we take off this, then we put the water bottle, then we shake it. Step 3, we pour a little bit of borax water. I think that's good. So we mix it. Step 4, we use our hands to mix up the slime. If it's too sticky, we put on more borax water. And that's how you make Logan Sonic Slime. Don't forget to share with friends.
Tasty.
Bruh. Don't forget to like and subscribe.